Sir, before we go to other matters, we'll stick to what you already announced. So when you say si Senator Padilla ignored the...
Well, he has not filed anything. He has not responded. He has not said anything about the cases that the summons given me.
And the deadline has passed for the three of them.
Deadline has passed. I don't know. He chooses to ignore the ombudsman, then so be it.
Okay. And that means for him, wala siyang side, di ba? I mean,
Wala siyang defense.
so can you resolve the obstruction complaint individually in the sense na one will go ahead of the other or dapat tatlo sila?
Well, they're given a chance to deny or to dispute or to reason out, but he can choose to waive everything. It looks like he has chosen to waive it. I don't know if he's being given any legal advice.
Sir, last for my part on this point. APC deadline was, he submitted yesterday, sir, no? 16? Ano ba? 16? Yes, sir. 17.
Basta on time. He submitted
On
on time. Yes.
So, ibig sabihin, sir, nun, is that submitted for resolution or do we have to wait for General Pascas
We will wait for General Plaska,
before you
which
declare?
is
Ilan days may fight?
July 8 yung order sa kanya, 10 days, 18, for another 10 days, 23 ba? So, 23rd.
So, July 20, filing, if ever
Next
the
Wednesday,
23rd.
or Thursday.
So, ang filing, if ever, qualifier, if ever may
If ever,
filing,
if ever,
kailan,
yes.
sir, mangyayari yan?
Well, pag joint ng issues and we are able to come up with the resolution.
How many days would you need?
And I cannot say, but we'll do our job.
Una.
Of course, in the news also was the investigation we are conducting on obstruction of justice that happened in the Senate. And in that light, sumagot na po si former Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano. Si Mr. Aplaska asked for an extension, so we granted him an extension to file his counter affidavit. But surprisingly, one person has chosen to ignore the Ombudsman's order. That's Senator Robin Padilla. Maybe he will just adopt the arguments of his of the persons who are charged with him. That's the best he can do.